Hello, my friend. Are you sick and tired of all the height jokes from your friends? Do you wish you were taller? Don't worry, you're not alone. Our friend Gladys has also asked for a natural method for this. I'm going to show you how to appear taller by having better posture. Imagine how much better you will feel once you gain back a few centimeters. Let's get started. Both hands together and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up and stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch back in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please rotate in the biggest circle you can. You might hear clicking and grinding. 4, 5. Left hand up and right hand behind your back and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand behind the back and right hand stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please follow my pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.